A trip down the Green River into the canyon of Lodore with holiday expeditions is a trip through an immense and inspiring wilderness. This is some of the most rugged and dramatically beautiful country in North America. A place where red rocks meet green trees, and further downriver, where mountains meet the high desert at the river's edge.
The underlying thing about all the trips we run is that a lot of them have the same ingredients. They're a long ways away from people. They have some wilderness values. They usually have some natural and cultural treasures along the way. And it'll be our job, our privilege really, to try and expose those to the guests who come out and spend a little time with us on the trip.
This is a journey to a still, wild place. But it is also a trip into the archaeological past, where the symbols and artifacts from previous cultures are near and thought-provoking. It is a huge open-air textbook illustrating the dramatic geologic forces that continue to carve and shape this rugged land.